Welcome to IgoroTech channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to temporarily disable Microsoft Defender Antivirus on Windows 10. It's not recommended to use a device without malware protection, but sometimes the antivirus can be the reason you can't install an app or software update. If this is the case, you can disable the antivirus temporarily to complete the software installation. To disable Microsoft Defender Antivirus, follow these steps. Open Windows Security. Click on Virus and Threat Protection. Under the Virus and Threat Protection Settings section, click the Manage Settings option. Turn off the Real-Time Protection toggle switch. If the system sent a message saying do you want to allow this app make changes to your device, just click Yes to proceed. Once you complete the steps, you can perform tasks that may conflict with the antivirus. If you don't re-enable the antivirus, it'll restart automatically the next time you reboot your computer. This covers disabling Microsoft Defender Antivirus on Windows 10. If you have a question to ask, leave it in the comments below and I'll do my best to answer it. If you found this tutorial is helpful, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel. Thank you very much for watching and have a great day.